Of course, I'm late again, so let's get ready with me because we are going on a barbecue picnic. We are gonna start with classic elegant pants from Zara. I love the pattern on those pants. With the shirt, we're gonna go with classic black one from Weekday. For the shoes, we're gonna go with low black Doc Martens. As you can see, I have today a really bad hair day. That's why we're gonna add this New Era black cap. Usually, I don't wear caps. And for the end, let's put some spice on that outfit. We're gonna go with 2 golden rings and 1 golden necklace. And there you have it. See you in the next one. Ciao!